Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about how to do makeup for when you're sick, because we all would love to just stay home in our pajamas and watch Mindhunter when we're not feeling great, but sometimes the show must go on and we have to put something on our face and leave the house and get on with our day. What we're doing for today's video. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when I post a new video. So before we get started, this is not to say that if you're sick that you have to wear makeup and that you have to wear makeup regardless of how you're feeling. This is not this video at all. This is just saying that, let's say you're sick, but you still have to go to work, you still have to go out, and you still have to get on with your day. And maybe you're starting to feel a little bit better, but you're still feeling kind of gross, but you don't want to look too gross. So you want to be able to put something on your face and not have people be like, oh my God, are you okay? Because you know that. So to start off, I'm using the First Day Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I'm using this because it's just really good to give a dewy look to your skin. The whole purpose of this tutorial is to just feign health, make ourselves look really healthy and dewy and glowy, even though we might not be at the moment. So I'm just applying some of that with a brush because, in all honesty, I am feeling too lazy to apply it with my fingers. I feel like that made a difference. I feel like just adding a glowy base makes me look slightly more human. Okay, so next step is brows. So a good brow just makes your face look better, even on a day when you feel like crap. A good brow will just help your face look more framed and symmetrical. So let's get that started. So I'm using the Dior Brow Styler in the shade 002 Dark Brown. You know, they say that eyebrows are sisters, not twins. They should look alike, but don't have to be identical. Today I'm not even sure if they're cousins. I don't know, like they're just, this is not the day. I saw Emily Noel 83 post a video about this not a month ago, like several months ago. And I thought it was really interesting, so I was feeling like really crappy. Like I've been feeling crappy for a couple of days now. My husband was like, why don't you just do a video like about how to do makeup when you're sick? And I was like, yeah, that works. So now I'm just taking a clear brow gel and just setting my brows. This is just to make sure that in case I start sneezing so hard that my brows try to fly off my face, they will stay put. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the NARS Pro Prime Eyeshadow Primer. This will just help whatever eyeshadow we put on stay in place. I'm doing eyes first, so in case I need to blow my nose vigorously, I delay the process of removing my foundation just a little bit. So to start off, I'm going to go ahead and use the light pink shade. I'm going to put that all over my lid, or at least just like the mobile lid here, not on top. And I'm taking a little bit of it and going in the inner corner here. And what this does is just help fake the appearance of having eyes that are well rested and awake and open, and just putting the light shade here just brightens up the whole eye area. Now I'm going into the chocolate brown shade, and using a small tapered brush, I'm going to take some of this and place this on the outer corner here. And once it's placed there, taking a fluffy brush, we're just going to blend. And dipping into a little bit of that brown, we're just going to place a little bit of that dark color in the crease as well. And we'll just do a windshield wiper motion just to blend it out. So that's it for eyeshadow. We're doing it very simple, just, you know, light color on the inside, dark on the outside, help us look awake and healthy. So using a little bit of that dark brown, we're going to put a little bit under the lashes here. And using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, I'm going to put that in the bottom waterline, and this will just help the eye look more awake and bright. And now finishing it off with the Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit. Excuse me. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, let's move on to complexion. So today we will be color correcting because, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX color correcting palette, and I'm going to go ahead and use the peach color because I want to hide the dark circles. So now that a little bit of the blue has been corrected, we're gonna try to tackle a little bit of the red. I feel like I'm gonna cover the red and then I'll blow my nose like 5 times and it'll be all gone, but whatever. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the green around here. Let's hide these veins. don't know why my chin is red. That's weird. So I'm gonna go into the Chanel CC cream in number 32 because I just want to give the illusion, I want to fake health basically, and this is very luminous and dewy, but if you're more comfortable wearing a full coverage foundation, you do you. And now we're going into a concealer because we need concealer. I took NyQuil last night to help me sleep, but I feel like it gave me like the weirdest dreams. I don't even remember what any of them are. I just remember like when I was dreaming, I was like, these are really weird. Does that happen to you guys when you take NyQuil? You have like really bizarre dreams? I just realized I forgot to put white liner on the bottom here. I just was like, why does my makeup look so different? So now we're going to use a loose setting powder. I'm using the NARS translucent one. What is this called? It's called Translucent Crystal Light Reflecting Setting Powder. That's a lot. It's a setting powder. So we're going to take a little bit of that. We're going to set our under eyes. Just a little bit here. And also we are going to set our noses because we need to powder our noses because I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to blow my nose like a million times today. So I'm going to set this so that my foundation stays for the most part. I'll do a little bit around my mouth too because whenever you have a tissue, it kind of like tends to drag away the makeup from this area here. And obviously, if I wasn't even wearing any makeup, I wouldn't have to deal with makeup transferring off, but since I am, I'm gonna lock it down. Okay, so I'm going to use a cream blush. I'm using the MAC blush called Something Special. I just find that a cream blush just looks very healthy and luminous and dewy. That's what we're going for today. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. And now I'm gonna go into a little bit of bronzer. I'm using the Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to try to give a bit of color to my face. And we're gonna go in with a touch of highlight just to, you know, again, pretend that we're healthy and dewy. Now for the lips, we're gonna go with something a bit more matte because if we do like a gloss or a lipstick that's very creamy, every time we blow our nose, there's a higher chance of the lip product just kind of like smearing all over the place. So matte is where it's at. So I'm going to use the Bite Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glacé. And just because I want a little bit of that blush color to be a bit more blended with my look, I'm going to use a little bit of that cream color and just pat it on my lips on top of the lipstick. Now let's do a setting spray. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Extender Setting Spray. Excuse me. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Again, I feel like I need to reiterate that I'm not here to shame you into wearing makeup. This is not saying that you need to wear makeup even if you're sick. I'm just doing this as like a suggestion, like maybe you're sick, but this is like day 2, day 3 of the cold, and you know, need to get on with the show, and you want to wear some makeup, but you know, not too much. This is like the tutorial for you. So thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos. It does mean the world to me. I hope you guys are having a fantastic Monday, fantastic week, fantastic month, whatever you're going through. I hope you're having a good time. So make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. And make sure to check out the giveaway that I'm hosting. So you have a few more days left to enter. The giveaway ends on March 14th and it's international, so it doesn't matter where you live, you have a chance to enter. So go check in the description box. It says enter giveaway here. Click on that, follow the rules, and you might win some free Dior makeup. So that's all I have for you guys for today. I am gonna go put on some sweatpants and watch more of Mindhunter because that's what I want to do today. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.